going to be showing you guys how I installed this unit. This was the easiest install that I've ever freaking done. The easiest wig customization that I've ever freaking done. Like, what? This hair is from SoGoodHair, you guys. I just installed this unit on myself. It looks so freaking good. I love units to where I don't have to do much to it and it just come out bomb. Okay, they basically did all the work for you. Pre-plucked, the lace is already tinted. As this hair did come to me 22 inches, but I did cut it, so yeah, I did cut it. I don't know, I just love cut curly hair. Like, it just looks good to me. It barely took me any work to do at all. Like, this was bomb and I'm so in love with this. Like, y'all, literally, I'm just so in love with this. This is honestly, this may be the best loose wave hair that I've ever had. Not even gonna hold you, not even gonna lie. This may be the best loose wave hair that I've ever had. But nonetheless, let's go ahead. If you guys like to see how I installed this unit and got these, you know, kind of water wave, loose wave curls, then just keep on watching. This is the packaging and the hair box. I don't know if you guys can see, it's a little bit beat up. But you guys, it came with some lashes. I believe it was Maya lashes or Naya lashes. But you guys, it came with the wig. The wig is so freaking gorgeous. The curls are so pretty. It looks just like how it looks on the website if you would go to the website and view it. And this is Swiss lace and it just melts up against my skin. That's how I know it's going to melt up on my forehead and on my scalp, y'all. It's gonna lay flat like that. It just melts. And what came with this was clips that you can clip onto the wig, you know, if you want to put in clips anywhere. It also came with elastic bands. It came with wig caps. The frontal is a 13x6 frontal and it has a deep 6-inch parting space. I'm talking about deep. That parting space go all the way back. Hey y'all, so this is the wig, you guys. It's really cute. You guys, I barely had to do any plucking on this. I know I plucked it, but I didn't even have to do that. Like, I was just doing extra stuff. I really did not have to do that. So right now I'm just gonna put some eyeshadow on my part. Holding me closer than we've ever been before. Yes, this is the wig. It's like that perfect water wave. Like, I just put some mousse. You guys seen everything. Well, you guys will see everything I put in there. I put some mousse, a little bit of leave-in cream, and some water. And baby, it just came out like this. I am going to actually tighten the elastic bands because this wig do come with elastic bands. So I am going to actually tighten the elastic bands to fit my head because y'all got a little bitty old pea head, y'all. Little bitty old pea head. I'm out here rocking the pea. Alright. So, I'm going to put this on first. And then, oh. Oh my gosh. What? Okay. Okay, y'all. So, y'all, I have forgotten the effect of the elastic band. Like, I just really want to show y'all this. I know you guys can see the cap right here. I am going to cover that up and disguise that. But, oh my gosh, y'all. Because usually you're supposed to cut this, like, thick part of the cap off. I'm actually going, let me actually put a little bit more. But, y'all, this elastic band, if you guys are not using elastic bands, then I don't know what to tell y'all. Because this, OMG. Y'all, look at this. Got it down. And honestly, I don't really think I'm going to glue it down. Now, I kind of think I plucked the part a little bit too much. But y'all cannot tell me. It's just not no way on this earth that y'all can tell me that that don't look good. Like, it's just not no way. I was not expecting this. So this hair does already come pre-plucked. I'm gonna do like minimal baby hairs. Like, I'm not really going to be doing that many baby hairs because I don't really want that many baby hairs.
It don't get no better than you. For you, I wanna take my time. I wanna love you.
I feel like I want to cut this hair like into layers a little bit. That looks dope. Like I kind of like over plucked it a little bit, so I want to just take, like, you can take a black, and then I'm going to just do the just, you know, kind of just go over it real, like, it's kind of like fade it on like both sides, you know. Yeah, do this. Y'all. And that's really it. And all to this hair. Honestly, hold on. I'm about to cut it some more. I'm about to cut a little bit of the ends off. Yes, this hair is already pre-plucked. Do you guys see how it's looking on this mannequin head? Like, what? But you guys, I'm still going to pluck it. So I'm just spraying water on it, and I'm just going to be plucking some. I'm going to still be plucking a little bit of the baby hairs and also some of the hair behind the baby hair as well. But I'm still plucking because I just want it to look good, y'all. I feel like, even though I feel like I liked it, I feel like I still should have plucked just a teeny weeny bit more. I feel like it would have came out perfection. So here I'm just parting where I want my part to be, and I'm doing a side part, so I'm just parting it, and I'm going to pluck it. As you guys can see, this is clearly a free part, but y'all look at those baby hairs. Their frontal, them baby hairs on their frontal is popping, sis. I don't know what to tell you, but yeah, you guys, so I'm going to start plucking it until I see a part, until a part is, you know, good enough for me. So now I'm just going to part like the top section of hair off, and I'm just going to put it out the way, and then I'm going to go under that section of hair and pluck, pluck, pluck. That is one of my techniques that I do to kind of like thin out the top of the hair a little bit so it won't be so thick, because now I'm just going to be, you know, cutting my frontals to my head, and then I'm going to just be measuring the elastic band and see if it would fit my head. But the elastic band was actually measured perfectly, so I feel like they cut it perfectly.
Every kind of way.
reason why like I'm like so in love and I love this hair is because y'all, this hair is a loose wave texture, you guys. So this is the natural curl of this hair. This is the literal natural curl of the hair. Like when you wash this hair, when you wet it, this is what you're going to get. You can curl loose wave hair to any type of style you want to. The reason why I love loose wave is because you can do, this is like, you can achieve this water wave type look, or you can achieve curls without messing up the curl pattern. Like as you guys seen how I got the wig came sent to me. It came way more curlier than this. Once you wash the hair, this is what the curls will look like. And then you can just put your own curls in it and it will be bomb. Like you guys seen how I got it. It was bomb, okay? So yeah, I will say that the curls look just like the picture, okay? It does. But the lace color was a light brown color, but I put, you know, eyeshadow and I just put, you know, powders and everything else in my part like this because, you know, I didn't bleach the knots. But the knots really already came a little bit bleached a little bit, so that was that. And you guys, this unit was 22 inches, but as you guys can see, I cut it. I think I want to cut it again to like right here because I don't know, like I just love this texture. Like, are you kidding me, y'all? This is a loose wave and it's looking like a water wave. Like this is some bomb. This is some bomb. So you guys, if I did not mention this hair is from SoGoodHair. All the specification and information about this unit will be linked in the description box. So make sure you guys go check out SoGoodHair. This literally is some bomb hair and this is so good. This hair is so good. Like this is so freaking pretty. Like this hair is, this is some bomb hair. I know I cut it. I think I want to cut it some more and I have like all the hair to the front too. Because I don't know, it just looks good. Another good thing about this website is they have shipping free. Free shipping on your whole website. This wig is 150 density. So this wig doesn't have any smell. It smells like regular hair. When I was doing the hair in the video, it doesn't have no smell. Doesn't have any of that. It just came right out the box, you know. You know, FedEx really kind of messed up my box. Or who sent that? I forgot. I don't know who they shipped it by, but whoever they shipped it by kind of messed up my box. And the hair did get to me in like a couple days, probably like, I don't know if it was 4 or 5 days. I'm not sure. But yeah, the hair, the FedEx people, they beat their box up. And that was a cute box. They beat their box down. They beat it down. But yes, you guys, like I said, this was the easiest install that I've ever done. Came pre-plucked. The lace came dyed. If you're lighter than me, then the lace color will probably be perfect for you. So, I mean, it came perfect. Like, I mean, it came perfect. It's not really much that you really need to do. Like, not really much that you need to do. Like, it's just simple and easy. And the reason why I just wanted to have this hair in a water waves because, I don't know, I just feel like it's spring. I know we stuck in the house. I know we stuck on quarantine. But, girl, I need some vibes. So, this hair is a vibe. This water wave, I want to be on a beach somewhere. I want to be laid out somewhere. Okay, I want to be in my swimsuit. That's what I really want. Oh, another thing that I was going to say is I wish there was a comb in the back. I wish there was a comb in the back. It's 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the middle, but I wish it was a comb in the back to like stick it up underneath my wig cap. They do have elastic bands, which I do love, and it just made this wig fit on my hair perfectly. But I feel like if it was an elastic band, it would be a much more hold, and this wig does hold because of my elastic band. But if it was another comb in the back, it would just be perfect. Let me actually click on the hair link. Let me see if people left some comments about the hair. Now let's see what the people in the comments think and say about this hair. Okay, 21 reviews. I love this wig. Just to describe, girl, they lace, honey, is laid. Oh dang, girl, her lace is laid, girl. She made me feel like I need to lay my lace down some more. Her lace looks good. Miss KK Holmes, girl, your lace is bomb. Okay, and Kay Lawson, both of y'all laces is bomb. Whoever put these pictures up here, y'all laces bomb. Bomb. Okay, girl, she said, I'm loving the wig. Just did a little more plucking and bleached the knots. Other than that, I love the texture and the curls. She said it's a little shedding, you guys. However, I don't have any shedding. Let me actually run the comb through it. Yeah, you guys, I'm not getting any shedding. Me personally, I'm not getting no shedding. Well, okay. I just got a couple strands of shedding. But I did just cut the ends of the hair off, so, but really I'm not getting any shedding. It said 4 more review, hair is still popping, okay? Amazing wearing it. I'm a very happy customer and I would highly recommend this wig, okay baby? She said she will highly recommend this wig. She said it's big head friendly and I got a small pea head. So this is little head approved. This is little head approved because I have like a pea head. I know my face probably look big, but my head is small. My head is like small, okay? It's like a pea. Like a little pea. Probably abnormal, but it's okay. But yes, you guys, so this is all about this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description box, so make sure you guys check out the description box. Make sure you guys check out SoGoodHair, and definitely check out this unit if you guys would like to purchase it, because this hair is so freaking bomb. I'm in love with SoGoodHair. Like, I was not expecting this lace to be like this. So my elastic bands, baby, oh baby, they did amazing, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Every kind of way, every kind of way, every kind of way.